In this video, I'm going to show you if it is possible to hide your phone number on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, if we open our WhatsApp app, we can tap right here at three dots and head over to settings. In here, we can easily find the privacy, and that's where we can configure our WhatsApp account's privacy. We can check who can see our last seen and online. We can set privacy for our profile photo, for our about section, and also for our status. However, here we cannot find the option to hide our phone number on WhatsApp because all the people in your WhatsApp contact list are people from your phone contacts book, and on WhatsApp there is no other way to add a user in the app except by the phone number. This means that it is basically impossible to hide the number in WhatsApp. If you would like to, stop getting messages or calls from a particular user, you can head over to the conversation with that user, then tap right here at three dots, select View Contact, and then scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find Block, and by tapping right here we can block particular user from calling you and texting you. However, even in that case we cannot hide the phone number, our phone number from that user. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.